I am so excited. I have something special for you. Chicken sandwich. Plus, I'm going to make a special sauce that's going to go right on top of it. It's gonna be delicious. I'm ready now. My beard is ready. Are you ready? Let's cook. My beard is back, baby.
Okay, let's get started. To make a chicken sandwich, well, you need chicken. Buy yourself some nice chicken breast, remove the fat, clean it up a little bit, and cut them in half. The thinner the chicken, the easier it cooks. Give it a little pound. Chicken looks good. Now it's time to make your marinade. Get a mixing bowl and add 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, another teaspoon of black pepper. All recipes will be on the description below. Get your whisk out and whisk, whisk, whisk. There was a little bit left of hot sauce. Now you can get all those pieces of chicken you cut in half and you put them inside the marinade you made. Once you're done, you wrap it, put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Now it's time to create your breading. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, kosher salt, and 1 teaspoon of pepper. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Get your whisk out. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Now it's time to make Chick Fil A special sauce. 1/2 cup of mayo. I use McCormick. 2 teaspoons of barbecue. All recipes will be on the description below. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. 3 teaspoons of yellow regular mustard. 2 tablespoons of honey. 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/2 teaspoon of paprika. And don't forget a teaspoon of lemon juice. Don't forget to get your whisk and whisk her up. Be careful, don't make a mess. You always have to taste test. Okay, it's been like 2.5 hours. Get the chicken out of the fridge. Take the chicken out, put it into your breading. Make sure you always wash your hands. Make sure you add enough breading on both sides. And just repeat the process. Once you're done, get your pan, add some vegetable oil. Make sure the oil is 350 degrees. A little more breading doesn't hurt. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for notifications. I have a video coming out every week. Make sure you turn on your fan. At least I know the smoke alarms work. Oh my god, this looks so good. You always want to check your temperature on your food. 165 is what you're looking for. Now it's time to prepare our chicken sandwich. You always want to toast your bread, put some butter on it. First, you put in the special Chick Fil A sauce. Start with the pickles, 4 pickles. After the pickles, lettuce. Then goes the tomato. Now comes the big boy. You want to add some more of that Chick Fil A sauce. It's amazing. And then you add a little bit more to every bite. Don't forget to remove yourself from all negativity. Life is too short. Try new things. If I can learn how to cook by watching videos, imagine what you can do. Don't give up on your dreams. You are stronger than you think.